Dave and I are about to load up into the truck and we're gonna go visit a little town that is south of where we live called Saba, and we're taking a kind of a picnic lunch, and I thought that I would vlog it. Here we go. Dave and I have arrived in Saba. We're down at the, I think they call this the Mill Pond Park, and we've been here before and I did some videos from here before. But anyway, it's just a beautiful day and we thought we would come down here and do some stuff, and we haven't checked out Saba in a while, so pretty deep pond. You saw fish in there? Oh, there's little fish.
Yeah, I saw one like that.
It's pretty clear water.
I don't want no goose bite.
I'll be one of those funny videos where I get got by a goose and fall in the water probably. Don't do it, goosey. We got our bicycles along. Here they are over here. We're gonna go ride around, get a little exercise, enjoy the day. Got my bag of stuff to bring along. Then we're gonna come back down here and probably eat lunch. You ready to go, Dave? Okay. We're still in Saba. Now we're at another park. And there's a nice walking paved or like concrete sidewalk walking path over here. It goes by this river. There's a river, and anyway, it's pretty neat. And we had our lunch over at the other park. We had some sandwiches with some buns that Dave made from scratch. And now we're just, as long as we're down here, we thought we'd come over here and check out this park. I don't know.
Poison ivy everywhere?
Yeah, look. No, that's not poison ivy. That's creeping Virginia creeper or whatever. It looks like poison ivy, but it's got too many leaves. I think that's some sort of man-made like waterworks thing down beneath us. There's a bunch of these kinds of things on this river that they say the people that first settled here were like making these waterworks where they could come down and do different things with the water, wash their laundry, get water, I guess. Yeah, he's just chilling. This is quite the trail through here. The last time we were down here, either this was not all developed like this yet, or we just we didn't take the right turn. I don't remember any of this. Cool, look at this. So we've got a little wildlife or bird viewing area over here. They have bird feeders and a little sitting area. Watch out for snakes. You think these are, what kind of old chairs are these? Old movie theater chair? Oh yeah. You can sit here and watch the little birdies come and eat seeds and get drinks of water. I don't know if y'all can see all these birdies. There's a birdie taking a bath now. See him?
Yeah.
The bluebonnets are out, y'all. Oh, they're so pretty and they smell really good too. I wish I could share that with you. Well, we're about to leave, but before I go, for anyone who is interested, there's the truck. This is the San Saba River Nature Park. So if you're ever in this part of the world, it's definitely worth stopping and checking out if you like the outdoors and nature and being outside.